When you're adhering clips to a membrane roof, there are a couple of things that you want to consider. The first and most important thing is you never want to put any kind of a screw or a nail down in through the roof. That will immediately void any warranties that the roof has, and it's a potential place that water can get in. If you look around on the roof, you can see that everything has been seam sealed to prevent any water from getting in, because we're going to be adding heat cable to the roof. What we want to do is use an adhesive that's not going to puncture anything. And the clips that we have are also not going to puncture anything. And we're going to have a good tight seal that's going to hold the clip in place. So we're going to clean the roof off, make sure that we get all of the dust and debris out of the way of where we're going to be putting the clip, and then we're going to just place the clips down. You really want to press the clip with the adhesive to make sure that you get a good surface contact. Some of the adhesive will kind of squeeze up through the holes, which will give you better surface area to the clip itself and increase your adhesion.